Hi, why I created this YouTube channel. The purpose of creating this YouTube channel is to provide Islamic knowledge to people and present all Muslims issues in a simple and easy to understand way. There are many people who are Muslims but don't know much about their religion. Through this channel, I am to teach them important things about Islamic in a simple manner. If you want to gain Islamic knowledge in an easy way, then subscribe to this channel so you can receive more informative videos regularly. If you would like to contact us, you can reach us on WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching. Khuda Hafiz.